In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the payment method on Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into the Zoom web portal. Go ahead and open your web browser, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Then, navigate to the Zoom website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner, and go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the billing section. Depending on how your menu is set up, you'll want to look at the left-hand navigation menu. You should see a couple of different options here. If you see Plans and Billing, click that and then select Billing Management. If your layout is different, you might want to go for Account Management, followed by Billing. Either way, you'll want to find the section where billing details are managed. Now that you're in the billing area, you'll need to scroll down until you see the Payment Method section. This is where you can manage how you pay for your Zoom subscription. Look for the option that says Change Payment, or you might see an Edit button next to your current payment method. Click on that button when you find it. After that, you'll be prompted to choose your new payment method. Zoom offers several options here, so you can decide what works best for you. You might want to opt for a credit or debit card, or if you prefer, you can choose PayPal. They also support mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, so just select the one that you want to use for your Zoom payments. Now it's time to enter and save your new details. If you've chosen a credit or debit card, enter your card information carefully. Make sure to double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If you're using a payment service like PayPal or Apple Pay, you'll need to follow the prompts to link those accounts as well. Don't forget to verify that your billing address is accurate. This step is important because it ensures that your payments go through smoothly. Once all your new details are accurately entered, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the button that says Save or Confirm. Click that, and just like that, your payment method on Zoom has been updated. And that's it! You've successfully changed your payment method on Zoom. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd be more than happy to